Supanova in Adelaide. So far the city's treated us pretty damn well, loving it. I'm an artist, I can't wait to do the next con, you know, so hopefully we'll be back here next year, you know, for Supanova or Comic-Con.
With the Phantom comics, but I absolutely love the Turtles, which I'm sure you can see, and a big retro gaming fan. But I love illustration. Find me on Instagram at Martial Art, MARSHA. Well, I'll chat to you then.
Dark Horse was established in 2009. First comic was published in March 2010. We've since been publishing for over 12 years with over 200 creators featured. It's an amazing showcase of Australian talent, creators, writers and artists, designers, and we're now working for film and TV as well.